what's happening? Well, guess what? I got me a different hat. Yeah, I do. Okay. Now, guess what time it is? Yep, you guessed it. It is that time. It's time for my third unboxing video. Yes, it is. All right. We're going to see what we got here. But first, let's take a minute to have some tasty jello, huh? Yeah, because we're all fired up still. We got to cool down. Woo, baby. Little jello. This is pineapple jello with real fresh lemons in it. Mmm. Woo! Didn't take out the seeds. Anyway, be one of these babies here, mate. A lemon. What if I could juggle these? Circus time. I might get away with two, but that'll be it. All right. That pineapple jello is good. All right. Let's do her. Let's sit down here and do her. All right. Unboxing video number 3. Because we did 2 of them. Oh my goodness, we just know how to get into these babies now. Probably should never cut toward yourself. Probably an unsafe unboxing that way, huh? Open these little flappies. What do you got? Styrofoam. All right. Boing. Take that out. Look down in the box. What you see is what you get. Pour out. All right. Discard the old box. Set her down. And we'll commence the clipping off this here protective stuff that they put on there, which seems to do a very good job. Now, in case you wonder, well, in case you're wondering what this is, looks to me, it's one of them there trade guns like we give to Indians. Say, Ed, how do you know that? Because the first thing I notice on this dude, as soon as I open it, is the serpent on the side of the gun. The old snake. All right. All right. These dudes look pretty good to me. I'm not unhappy at this point. Take off the lock protection. Flip her over. Just some boxing tape on here. Nothing. Just take your time is the main thing. Take your time. You don't want to dig into nothing or scratch the old girl, right? All right. And as she's revealed from the old bubble wrap, take all that. Whoa, the old ramrod's coming with it. Got back in there. Plastic off of the old ramrod. There we go. That's a wooden ramrod. Whoa. Well, compared to the Charlottesville, this gal, it's a little baby. It's a little baby gun. But yeah, it's cool. It says London on top of it. Much lighter. Nice butt plate. Take that to the face, Ed. Oh, no, don't do it. Add in some sound effects. Hey, it's got a front sight on it and everything. Compared to the Charlottesville and some of those and other firearms, I would consider this to be a youth gun. But she's pretty nice. So how's the lock work, Ed? Oh, how's the lock work? I don't know. I didn't try it. Well, okay. So half cock. Oh, nice click. Prison back. Nice tight frizzing, full cock. Whoa, got away from me. Yeah, it's all right. Take them in, out and play with them a little bit, and you get them broke in. They have a break it in period. It's got the 2-finger. I'm sorry, I did it again. It's that's how they work. Got 2 little poofs there. Okay, so anyway, yep. Just say on there. Anyhow, got all kinds of writing and stuff on it. That's a nice little piece. Definitely lighter. Much lighter. I don't know what this dude weighs. But it's a nice one. Looks good. I don't see a thing that I can complain about. Might have a wee bit of a stiff trigger, but other than that, we'll break it in time. Be good to go. But there she is. I guess it's the Indian trade gun. Just right for loading length. Oh, you don't have to be too tall to load that, baby. So there we go. Another unboxing, number 3. And pineapple and lemon jello. Good stuff. So I'm going to enjoy this. Them lemons are sour, but they're quite good for you. I'm making these for the grandkids and whoever can watch them in the future, as long as YouTube has them up. Right? Because I don't have no storage room on my phone, so I can't keep all these videos on there. So YouTube lets you put them up there. That's what we did. Well, hopefully everything was entertaining. I know I entertained myself pretty good. So this one didn't take as long as the last one. It was like 10 minutes or so to do that one. But anyway, I of course ate cottage cheese and peppered it up and everything. So, but yeah, interesting parts of history, that's for sure. I expect I'll probably go check on my pups. They're outside. They had to go out. So hope everybody's doing well until my next video. Arrivederci.